Hi, children. I welcome you all to the Z Learning platform for the Unit 4 poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. Welcome you all again to this e-learning platform. Welcome. T.S. Eliot, the full name is Thomas Stearns Eliot. He was a great essayist, a critic, a playwright, and a pioneering poet of the 20th century. Today let's see what he has written in Macavity. Actually, Macavity is a cat. Can we go into the poem? Before going into the poem, let's see the description of Macavity. Macavity is in ginger color. He's tall and thin. His eyes are sunken in. Brow deeply lined with thought. Highly doomed head. So these are the description is given by the poet in the poem. Stanza 1. Macavity's a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. In the first stanza, T.S. Eliot introduces a different kind of a character, a unique character which is very, very intelligent. And the character name is Macavity. It's very funny to hear that Macavity is a cat. But here, Macavity is unlike what we thought. Macavity is a cat and he is given a nickname called Hidden Paw. Paw shows that it's accepted as an animal, but still it's given more importance like a human thief. Okay, human character which we have, mostly robbery, those who goes on robbery like a thief or doing some very, very mischievous things against the that is who goes against the law, does everything illegal. Such kind of a character we can see here as Macavity. But the Macavity is not a human. That's the difference. Now Macavity is a mystery cat. He's called the hidden paw. He's been called as a hidden paw. For he's also again described as he's a master criminal. And when he is a master criminal, he can even go against the law, any kind of a law. Any kind of a law cannot be binding him. Then he is a bafflement of Scotland Yard. So he creates utter confusion or total confusion in the Scotland Yard. And you all know Scotland Yard is a very well famous armed force. And in that, even flying squads were really going on with despair. They were really afraid as how to catch this Macavity or how to put him in chains, put him behind the bars. Because whenever they reach the scene of crime, Macavity has already left the place. Stanza 2. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, in the second stanza, we can say that the poet is repeating the word Macavity, the name Macavity, to show it's more important. Like people and others all put their heads together thinking about this Macavity. That is always there is a talk behind in every department, like about they are always talking about Macavity. And they are even saying, they compare with other criminals and they say there is no one like Macavity because he has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity and even his powers of levitation. Powers of levitation it's a special character of the cat. Okay, by nature they are being born innate with that such a kind of a talent. Like when they jump from the heights, in any situation they'll come down on their four paws. They'll land on four paws. So that is a kind of a levitation. And when they land in such a manner, even a holy person That is in Indian term, it's fakir. Even a fakir would stay because he's always in a supernatural mode or a supernatural thoughts. That is always thinking about God. He may be having supernatural powers also, but still, such a kind of a person will be very astonished or surprised to see such a kind of a Macavity. And when you reach the scene of crime, again the same point is repeated. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So you cannot find Macavity so easily. And you cannot get an evidence that Macavity has done such a crime. So it's not so possible to prove Macavity is the culprit. Stanza 3. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Here in this stanza, Macavity is being searched in the ground floor or the first floor, but he is not found there. Again, the flying squad or the armed forces are searching or running to the highest or the topmost level of the building, but again the same answer, Macavity is not there. So again and again we repeat it, Macavity is not there. Wherever you go and seek him, you will be getting the answer, Macavity is not there. And Macavity's appearance is, Macavity is a ginger cat, he's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him because this is the color, this is the height and this is the weight. And if you see him, his eyes are sunken in also. Stanza 4. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly doomed, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. In this stanza, the poet describes the intelligence of the Macavity. Actually, an intelligent person or the person with deep thought is being seen with the brow deeply lined with thought, and always their head is highly doomed. So, such people they are automatically identified with by others as intelligent. And if you see, even though he's intelligent, he's always busy and he least care about himself. That is, caring about himself to keep him neat and clean. So his coat is always dusty and his whiskers are uncombed. And his head is always swayed, head from side to side with movements like a snake. Like a snake is always moving. And when you think he's half asleep, he's not exactly like that because he is always alert. Even in his sleep also, if you see, he is not sleeping having a deep sleep. Always he is very, very alert. Hope you all would have enjoyed the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat for stanza 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Meet you in the next class. Till then, have a nice day. In the next class, I will cover the remaining stanzas also. Thank you. Have a nice day.